guess what we were just doing?
Eating cupcakes.
Yeah, we were eating cupcakes. And we had the best idea. So we thought that we should teach you guys how to draw a cute St. Patrick's Day cupcake.
St. Patrick's Day cupcake.
Do you guys want to learn how to draw a cute St. Patrick's Day cupcake with us?
Well, outside, should we go get a treat?
Yeah, we do.
What should we get?
We're eating our cupcake. Do you know what will make it even better? If it wasn't St. Patrick's Day cupcake. It wasn't St. Patrick's Day cupcake.
Do you guys want to learn how to draw a cute St. Patrick's Day cupcake with us? You only need two things, and I think you can figure out what those two things are. Weston, what do you need to draw? A piece of paper. What else?
Marker.
A marker or a pencil or a crayon. Are you ready to draw? Let's draw the bottom of our cupcake. All right, Breadies. So there we go. All right, and then next, we're gonna draw the two sides of our cupcake. And those go vertical or up and down. So just draw straight down on each side. Perfect. So just like a cupcake wrapper would look. You did so good. Next, we are gonna draw the bottom of the frosting. This is the next step. And I love frosting, so I want big, fluffy frosting. So 1, 2, 3. You know what? Sometimes we get nervous and we make a little mistake. That's okay. Next step is we are gonna draw the sides of the frosting.
How many?
So first we're gonna draw 1/2 of a circle-y line. So a curved line on the side, on this side, we're gonna draw it. So we're just gonna do one and we're gonna connect it from this line up to the, maybe about an inch, depending on how fluffy you want your frosting to be. Perfect, that's so good. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side, and you want it to kind of match, but it doesn't have to be exactly lined up. Just about the same size. So another curved line and connect it. Boop. Perfect. It looks like fluffy frosting already. And then we're gonna do it again. We're gonna do 2 curved lines, one on each side for our second tier of frosting. So we'll go ahead and we'll start up here. And we're gonna make a curved line right there.
It's a tiny one.
Just, yeah, a little bit smaller, not quite as big as the first. Yep, and we'll go ahead and add our second one. We're gonna do a little swirl. And I actually want this layer of frosting to go in a little bit more, so I'm gonna add a little bit to my line right there. It's just this side.
I already have that, baby.
You got it? You're good to go? All right, so then we're gonna add the very tip, the swirl of the frosting on top. Are you ready? So we're gonna add a line like that at the very top. Right there. Boop. Good job. Here, and we're gonna do a swoop, but we're not gonna finish it because we need to leave room for all of our St. Patrick's Day stuff. So you can follow my mark. So you can start up at the top. So you can start right here, and you can go down in a swoop, like this. Oop, you got me.
Swoop.
There you go, good job, Wes. Our next step is to draw our rainbow at the top of our cupcake, because it's gonna be a cute St. Patrick's Day cupcake. So it needs a rainbow. And I think we should have a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. What do you think, Weston? Okay. And we're gonna draw the bottom half of a pot. So it's gonna be a C shape. And we're gonna do our C shape right here. Are you guys ready? We'll go, I'll start right here.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay, Wes. Okay. So we'll start right here and we'll do a C shape. Like that. Can you do a C shape? job. And guess what? We're gonna color the pot in black. So even if you make a little mistake, we're gonna color it in and nobody's gonna know. It's perfect. All right, so then we're gonna do the very top of the pot. So we're gonna do a tiny little line that goes out on this side and a tiny little line that goes out on that side. Just like the top of a pot. Good job, like an old-fashioned pot. A kind that might have gold in it. Then we're gonna go from line to line and connect it. Good job, Wes. And now, I think we need some gold. Should we draw the gold? All right, so I'm gonna make this super easy. We're just gonna do a bunch of C shapes. So go like this. It's gonna have a lot of gold. Oh, yours has a lot of gold too. I like it. We're gonna be rich, huh? Oh yeah, it's looking good. Whoa, that's so much gold. Okay, that's enough gold. You're gonna run out of room for your rainbow. Speaking of which, I'm already at the top of the page. All right, so now we're gonna draw our rainbow coming out of our pot of gold. So we're gonna draw the inside line of the rainbow. We're gonna start on top of the gold right here. And we'll do a U shape or a rainbow shape. Going all the way down. Perfect. All right, and then I'm gonna start on the other side of this pot, right about here. And we're gonna wanna go in a swoop or a rainbow shape. Actually, I think I need to move my paper down just a touch. We're gonna draw the top of our rainbow. So we're gonna draw a matching U shape from here at the pot of gold all the way over to the other side of the frosting. Ooh. Oh, I love it. It looks so fun. I want to do our frosting right here so that it matches. So I'll make this frosting a little taller. And then I'm going to add another little C mark for the top part of that frosting. So you can do another C. Oh yeah, that works. That looks good, Wes.
Because I made the other side of it.
Yeah, I like it. All right, so now we gotta draw our cute St. Patrick's Day cupcake face. It definitely needs a face. Oh, what do we need for a face? Do we need some eyes? Readies, should we draw some eyes? Okay, and you know what I think would make it fun is let's do a winky face. Let's do one big circle for one of our eyes. I'm gonna do a big circle here.
It's gonna be so cute.
It's gonna be so cute. And then I'm gonna do 2 circles on the inside. One bigger and one smaller.
The big one's on the top.
Yeah, the big one, I like to do it on the top. When you make a mistake at home, you just do your best and you just keep on going because it's gonna take some practice.
It gives you a smile.
And it's gonna turn out so good.
It makes.
All right, let's color in our eyes. I'm gonna do our winky eye, and we want it to line up with our other eye. Do one line, and the other line. I think we should do our smiley face next. So we're gonna do just a little curved line. All right, so next we're gonna do some little eyebrows.
Mommy, I don't like that.
A little curved line up at the top.
Yeah.
And another little curved eyebrow to match. You're drawing at home. If you want, go ahead and ask your parents if you can send in a picture of you holding your drawing. We would love to see how yours is gonna turn out. We can't wait. And next, you know what? I think, Eddies, we are about to start coloring. It's so exciting. And we might speed this part up a little bit just so you can stay with us.
Yep.
Weston, we need to do the colors of the rainbow. What are the colors of the rainbow, Breadies? Do you guys know?
Yellow. I mean red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, violet.
Wow, that was so good. Hey, you did such a good job. We can't wait to see your cute St. Patrick's Day cupcake drawing. It's gonna look so good. Do you guys wanna see ours? Let's show them, Wes. Whoa, look at that. Whoa, it's so cute. Show them yours, Wes. Wow. Reddies, we had the best idea. If you want to keep drawing St. Patrick's Day stuff, head over to our St. Patrick's Day playlist and you can learn how to draw your very own lucky, cute 4-leaf clover. It's gonna be so fun. We can't wait to see you guys.